Hello everyone, it's Quoia Renae and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be putting some curls in my hair. Those curls that I told you all about from my makeup tutorial I'm going to be doing in this video. By the way, speaking of makeup tutorial, if you all would like to see how I got my makeup this way, definitely make sure you tune into that video. It's already uploaded on my channel. I'll have it linked in the description box below, as well as having it linked in this video at the end of my video. So make sure you all stay tuned and tune in to that video. I sprayed some Tresemme heat protectant on my leave out and on my edges, and I'm using my small babyless flat irons to get my edges straight. And I did wash my hair. If you all would like to know how I wash my hair, you can tune into my wash day hair video that I have uploaded on my channel as well. I'm using my babyless curling irons. I think this is like the 1 inch or 1.5 inch curling iron that I'm using today, and I am just going to twist and curl and twist and curl until I get that desired curl pattern. I'm going to hold it for about 5 seconds or 10 seconds in place, and then I'm going to hold that curl in. I'm going to twist it so that it falls and it keeps the curl tight until I'm ready to comb it out, and then I'm going to move on to my next curl, honey. I did not use any products today on my weave. I just simply started using the babyless curling iron. However, you all know I'm going to use some products on my leave out, but not on my weave necessarily. Although I do suggest using a little bit of a serum once you are done, just so it can make the curls look a little bit more softer and they won't frizz. I didn't add a serum because I wasn't going anywhere. I was just gonna sit in the house and wrap my hair back up after this video. So I suggest using a serum if you are going to be going out. Just use a little bit, very small amount, just so it keeps away the frizziness. Also, y'all, do not pay attention to my little cuckoo bugs on the other side of my hair. I did not decide to straighten that side of my edges because I'm like, man, my hair is going to be covering that up. So don't pay attention to my little cuckoo bugs on that side. You know, just pay attention to the fleekiness of the video, you know. If anyone is interested in purchasing this babyless curling iron, I get all of my babyless tools from Ulta. I'm not sure if they sell them. Well, I'm sure they sell them on the babyless website, but I've just never purchased any babyless products from the babyless website. I always get them from Ulta. So if you're interested in this tool, you can log on to Ulta and get it. I think it was about $60 something. So now that we have finished these curls, honey, we're going to get into the leave out. I pretty much use the same products in all of my tutorials for the leave out. I'm pretty consistent with that. Those products work for me. I noticed in one of my older videos that a lot of, well, not a lot of you, a couple of you though, said that the Care wax stick did not work for you. Well, everything doesn't work for everybody. You have to find what works for you, sis. So, you know, just because I used it and it worked for me don't necessarily mean it'll work for you. I'm ultimately just showing you all that this is how I slay my hair. You can try it, but this is how I slay my hair, and this is what works for me, sis. But if you all would like to see in more detail the products I use and how I slay my leave out, definitely make sure you tune into my other videos, because those videos goes into a lot more depth into how and what products I use for my leave out. So once I do my leave out and my edges, I'm going to go ahead and take my wide tooth comb and I'm going to start combing out these curls. I like my curls more so when they fall versus when, you know, you freshly curled it. It looks much better when they start to fall. They look a lot more softer as well. But I definitely love the way these curls turned out. They were really pretty. Those of you who have not, I know I'm doing a lot of recommending of my other videos, but I'm only doing it because I know people will be in my comment section saying, how did you get this and where did you get this and how did you do that? Well, if you want to see how I got this color, I have a video on my channel already on how I got my hair this red shade, so make sure that you tune in to that video. And like I said before, if you want to know how I got this makeup look, honey, make sure you tune into that video as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I love you all so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Bye.